boat race was really fun because you got to hang out with your friends and learn how to row and just have the opportunity to be in the boat. And
I feel scared that we're gonna sink. I feel really nervous and I feel do I have a life jacket?
Everybody does.
I feel weird. I feel like really weird.
We only have 7. Who's missing?
Carter! Why do you always do this? Carter!
Left side! Both! Right! Guys, keep turning. Everyone paddle! Right side! We did so good.
We did it!
We did it!
I'll pull it on like that?
We did it! World Series!
I think the boat race was really fun, and since we kept spinning in circles, it took us a long time to finish the race. And
The boat race was very fun. First because Charlie was trying to make Carter wet, and it was very funny because I got wet too.
I loved the boat race because it was fun to be in the boat with our friends, and it actually floated, which was great.
the boat race was fun because we got the chance to hang out with our friends and see the different kinds of boats.
By teacher Heather Lewis, whose birthday is today. This group believes, and they are off. This group believes that the key to winning is to work together and communicate.
Matthew, sign this row!
And it's just
Hey! Guys, go! Whoa, Matt side! I think we are sinking. Water's coming up my knees! Okay.
Actually, we're not super.
Well, I feel water coming up my knees.
That's just splashing.
Because of Reese.
I know!
The boat race was really, really fun.
Won 3rd place for the fastest time and beat Mr. Gerhardt's class.
It was really exciting to know it was going to come really soon. And getting in the boat and hearing the horn was really exciting, except when you forgot what you were doing for half the time, and then finally someone says, row, and yeah, you start rowing and you're far behind. That's not fun.
It was just fun because you got to sit in a cardboard boat and you got to feel the wind through your hair, and I got splashed, so it was great.
Parker's side of the boat, like her angle of the boat, it kind of tore open, and so when we got out, like the whole bottom of our feet and our knees were like covered in mud, and then like when we carried the boat, our hands were all black.
And because helping the food bank so we can help people who don't have food or don't have shelter.